Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to easily delete your Google Lens search history, whether on Android phone or your iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Lens. Next thing you want to do is to click on here. Here you go. Go ahead and click on Google Lens activity. Here you go. The next thing you want to do here is to scroll down right here. So it's going to take you to all your Google Lens activity right here. Google Lens activity you keep is used to improve your experience. You can scroll down right here and see all stuff you have been doing with your Google Lens right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all activities about your Google Lens right here. For you to delete anyone, go ahead and click on delete right here. You can delete today or delete custom rate, delete all time, delete or auto delete. If you want to delete all time, click on delete all time. And it's going to take you right here. Confirm you would like to delete the following activity. Delete now. Go ahead and click on delete right here. Once you click on delete, all the search history in your Google Lens, in your Google activity will be completely deleted. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Lens like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.